How to use the balance in dance? I have solution. Let's go. In this lesson we will learn the basics of balance leg position. It's called balance point. There are 3 of them. The first position is called balance point number 1. This position is used most often in the dance. This is how you can balance. Let's put your feet a little wider. Like this, it will be better. I recommend bending your knees a little so you have more ways to move. For example, when you are on bent knees, you can go up. And when you are standing on straight legs, the opportunity to go higher is lost. And of course, you can also go down from this position, whoa, without any problem. And last one, don't stand in this position with distributing the weight exactly on 2 legs. In this position, you must be constantly in motion. Bounce. The weight should always be more on one of the legs. It doesn't have to be clearly visible. For example, 51% of weight on this leg and 49% on that leg. The viewer won't notice that the weight isn't evenly distributed. But you open up new ways with this knowledge. By having a support and working leg in advance, you are able to make decisions much faster during your freestyle. For example, you are dancing and then you want to move forward. You don't need to think about which leg to step first. You don't need to make an extra movement, shift your weight to one of your legs, because you already did it. You have a task in your head, and you just do it. Wherever you do, step, stomp, jump, swing, kick, you still come back here, balance point number 1. This is your foundation. This position helps to show your character and attitude. Ooh, like this or like this. And last thing about this position, I divided it into 3 sizes. This is stylish. This is foundation. This is like a bully. Huge movement. In this position. Let's go to the balance point number 2. To do it, we're starting from balance point number 1, one leg in front of you, the other behind. This pose is to make you more comfortable working with a small movement like this. You feel it better. Shoulders, chest, head, hands, elbows, hips, heel, toe, footwork, boom, body tilts, yeah, animated moves, isolation. Balance point number 2 is your details, body control, small bounce but still bounce, still on the beat, it's your style. Practice it. And I want to add that you can use this pose heel opposite toe like this, or heel opposite heel like this, or even wider like this. And as you remember from balance point number 1, I can keep the weight on the front leg, on the back leg, and approximately in the middle like this. Balance point number 3. It also has the second name, catch your balance. This is the position with which you catch your balance if it happens that you have lost it. Put the leg cross back and shift the weight to this leg. So I lose the balance, I catch my balance, and then return to the main position. In this moment, this is balance point number 1. For example, you are dancing, someone pushed you, boom, you lose your balance, but you catch it and still stay in the dance. Boom, back to the game and still stay in the dance. Practice it. This is bug. Or another one, you jumped, you do some crazy power move, then you lose your balance again, but you have balance point number 3, you catch your balance and back to the game. Boom, you still in the dance. Whoa. Use this. And of course I have several variations of this. On one leg, like this, or with a shot hop, boom, 2 legs, boom, like this, and back to the game, boom, back to the game, okay, and in the middle level, boom, like this. This is for your start moves, for your intro. You can lose your balance, wow, whoa. So we have learned 3 main balance points. Number 1, 2, catch your balance, drill it, lab it, edit it into your dance, subscribe, leave a like, yeah Spitfire, see you soon!